Finally got the engine harness for the 1950 Ford Coupe with a 3.8 supercharged V6 that's in there. This is from Ron Francis. This is the power supply right there. And then there's a bunch of little bags, a couple big bags with some harnesses, and they're all marked and labeled. And then obviously the instructions. I think this system was about 950 bucks, and it basically just it tells you what bag number and what wires are in that bag. Actually, it looks really easy to install. They gave you some really good shitty ass connectors.